Hello, my name is James, and today on James's Bakes we're going to be cooking some Jaffa cakes. We are now going to add the eggs into our bowl with the sugar. So 1 egg. So 2 eggs. And our sugar. We're now going to electric whisk our eggs with sugar, which it will take a little while until pale or fluffy. So this is now ready, and we can now hopefully draw a figure of 8 on the top, and it will last for 8 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So we're now going to fold in our flour into our sugar and eggs with a metal spoon so we don't knock the air out of our Genoese sponge. You want to make sure that there's no flour left inside that's not been stirred in properly, because that will make your Genoese taste a bit weird. We're now going to add our mixture into our tins. I have already greased my tins, so you might want to do that as well. We are now going to spoon our mixture into the already greased tins. You want about a spoonful in each. Right, I am now going to put our Genoese sponges into the oven for 7 to 9 minutes. At 180 degrees. You might want to have an adult to help you because of the heat. We're now going to do the spring test and take them out of the oven. Yep, they're cooked. We are now going to cut out our Jaffa cake sponges and put them onto here. That'll make it lots easier by greasing the tin. We are now going to add our chocolate into our bain-marie, which is boiling water to melt our chocolate. If you have a microwave, you can also make the chocolate in there. We are now just stirring the chocolate to temper it and to make sure none of it burns and melts equally. We are now going to cut our jelly, which I made earlier, and put them onto our Genoese sponges. 6, 7, 8. Just going to continue doing it until all of our Genoese sponges are jellied on. You have to be very gentle with the jelly to make sure it doesn't rip, because if it rips it's hard to get on the Genoese sponge, and if that happens, well, you're just going to have to cover it in the chocolate and hope no one notices. Which is not a disaster, but it wouldn't be the best thing in the world to happen. I'm now going to put our chocolate onto our Jaffa cakes. I'm going to take a nice, decent scoop of chocolate, put it onto the jelly, and tap it around the edges, and it'll go around, like so. This one done. Put it up there. Again, more chocolate on there. And then we put that on there. And finally, one more time. Just touch the edge of the jelly and it will naturally spread. Now we're just going to put the Jaffa cakes onto the cooling racks and then into the fridge. But yeah, they have just been set in the fridge. I'm going to chop one open to show you what it looks like on the inside.